Go.
Alright, so we're trying to find muzzle velocity. So to do that, we use these two equations. V equals 1/2 G plus T, or times T squared. And V equals D over T. Alright, and first we need to find D.
I'm just going to help you guys find D over here. D is going to be 27.
Alright, so for our distance of the table to the floor, we got 27.5 inches. But we want it in meters, so we know that a meter equals 39.37 inches. So what we did was we divide 27.5 by 39.37, and we got 0.698 meters. So we plug that into our equation. It's a 0.698 equals 1/2 times 9.8 meters per second squared times t squared. Our answer was 0.37 equals t. So what we do now is plug that into our other equation, but we don't have the distance to that. So we gotta find the distance to that.
Alright, we gotta measure this. Help me out. Is that?
Okay, fine. Alright.
It's 59.
Alright, so we know it's 59 inches. But we want it in meters. So we divide that by 39.37 inches. And we got 1.4 meters. We plug that into our equation, V. So V equals 1.4 divided by 0.37. And that equals 3.7 meters per second.